LinkedIn. What's the big deal about LinkedIn? Well, if you don't know, well, I'm going to tell you today. Hi, I'm Laura Connor with Connor Speaks, and in this video, I'm going to tell you the 3 things that you need to do to really blow up on LinkedIn. And before I tell you these 3 things, I want to remind you that if you're liking the videos that you're seeing on my channel, please like this video and subscribe to this channel and also hit that notification bell. All right, so the first thing is you need to show up. Now, what does that mean? You need to have a profile. Now, I know you're saying, okay, well, Laura, come on, everybody has a LinkedIn profile. But no, that's not the case. Most people have a profile on Facebook or on Instagram, but on LinkedIn, you're not there. LinkedIn is for everybody. Can't hammer that home enough. I'll probably make a whole bunch of different videos on that, but you need to be on there no matter the industry. It's one thing to have a profile that's there, but it's no picture, no summary, no about section, nothing is there. And then it's another thing to have a profile that is branded well, that is filled up and complete with information that will make people want to naturally take the next step with you. Even if you are on LinkedIn and you may want to show a little bit more of a professional side to you than you would have on Facebook or Instagram, make sure that what you're saying in your profile, on your business pages, they all work together and they're consistent, because people will check you out on different platforms. And you want to make sure that what you're presenting on any of the platforms really represents the real you. Now, step 2 is once you've shown up, then you need to speak up. Now, when I say to speak up, I mean that you need to do 2 things. You need to start engaging in conversations on other people's posts on the platform. When you see people in your network that are putting out great posts, comment on them, start a conversation, engage with them. You'll be seen by the people who are also looking at that post and by the poster themselves. And then you also want to put out your own content. By putting out your own content, you are positioning yourself as a thought leader or an expert in your industry. And when you combine the 2 of those things, putting out your own content, and you include commenting on other people's content in the newsfeed, you will become a powerhouse. You will become highly visible. And then finally, you need to grow up. Now, this is where some people get it inverted. They decide, okay, I have a LinkedIn profile. I'm going to just start connect, pressing that connect button and trying to build up their connections as fast as you can. And this is a big mistake, because I want you to think about it. When you go onto LinkedIn and you look at someone's profile and they are not posting anything, they're not commenting on other people's posts, they're not really having a great presence there because they're not being active on the platform. If you get a connection request from them, chances are you may say ignore. And then worse yet, you may say, I don't know this person, because LinkedIn does ask that question from time to time. So you want to have some evidence that you know what you're talking about in your profile. That's your own content, and that's engaging on other people's posts, because it shows up in your profile, your last 4 comments or your last 4 posts. So when you have that and you have history of contributing and adding value, they are much more likely to send you a connection request or accept your connection request if you have sent one to them. So you don't want to try to connect with people first before you build up your presence on the platform. So make sure that you do the 3 things. You show up, you speak up, and then you grow up. In that order, you do those 3 things, you'll have no problem getting seen, getting heard, so that you can get clients. And listen, if you have any questions about LinkedIn that you'd like me to make a video for, then please share it in the comments, and I will be sure to make a video to teach that so that we can all learn together here on LinkedIn. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video.